On this video, we're going to replace a cable actuated clutch lever. You want to lay everything out, rag, brake clean, grease, everything. Make sure the part's the right part. You got all the right bushings and all the tools you need. First step would be to align the slot in this adjuster to the slot in the clutch purse. First step, remove 10mm nut on the bottom of the clutch pivot bolt. Okay, this should slide right up. Remove clutch lever. You're gonna have to slide it off the end of this cable. Now I compare the old with the new, and then as you can see, the old one had a plastic bushing in there, the new one came with a stainless steel one. So that fits, looks the same. On this particular lever, you gotta add a little adapter for the clutch switch. Then I grease everything. Get that back in there. You don't want too much grease. Clean and re-grease the old pivot bolt. Make sure there's no excessive wear and tear. Like that. Next step would be to clean all in here. That gets really dirty, so you want to clean the cable. All that. Clean in here. A trick I learned for cleaning in here, take a screwdriver and you kind of wrap a rag around the screwdriver, soak it in brake clean, and you kind of go in there and clean it all out. Get it nice and clean. Don't damage that clutch switch. They're kind of delicate. All that. Grease all this area and wipe off the excess. You also want to grease this cable end here a little bit. While I'm at it, I'll go ahead and grease the cable. I use this dry slide Bike Aid dry moly lubricant. Get the cable back in. End of the cable goes into that slot. See that? Pull it. Slide that guy right in there. Nice and gentle. Not to disturb that clutch switch. Brake lever bolt. Get that 10mm bolt nut back on. Tighten the nut. Wipe off any excess grease. Test it. You always want to make sure there's at least about a nickel thickness of play right here, so I can adjust this back out a little bit, or to the owners, or to your preference. And then on this particular one, we adjust the lever distance to wherever you like it. And this one's pretty close. All set.